Hi. Let's learn about activity cost drivers. An activity cost driver is an action that triggers higher or lower variable costs for a business. Sometimes referred to as a causal factor, it is associated with the managerial accounting concept of activity-based costing. Keeping tabs on activity cost drivers is important as it can help boost efficiency and company profits. A cost driver affects the cost of specific business activities. In ABC, an activity cost driver influences the costs of labor, maintenance, or other variable costs. Cost drivers are essential in ABC, a branch of managerial accounting that allocates the indirect costs, or overheads, of an activity. There may be multiple cost drivers associated with an activity. More technical cost drivers are machine hours, the number of engineering change orders, the number of customer contacts, the number of product returns, the machine setups required for production, or the number of inspections. When a factory machine requires periodic maintenance, the cost of the maintenance is allocated to the products produced by the machine. For example, the cost driver selected is machinery hours. After every 1,000 machine hours, there is a maintenance expense of $500. Therefore, every machine hour results in a 50-cent maintenance cost allocated to the product being manufactured based on the cost driver of machine hours. Using cost drivers simplifies the allocation of manufacturing overhead. The correct allocation of manufacturing overhead is important to determine the true cost of a product. Internal management uses the cost of a product to determine the prices of the products they produce. For this reason, the selection of accurate cost drivers has a direct impact on the profitability and operations of an entity. Management selects cost drivers as the basis for manufacturing overhead allocation. There are no industry standards stipulating or mandating cost driver selection. Company management selects cost drivers based on the variables of the expenses incurred during production. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. An activity cost driver is an action that triggers higher or lower variable costs for a business. 2. Keeping tabs on these fluctuating costs can help boost efficiency and company profits. 3. Activity cost drivers are used in activity-based accounting, ABC. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.